Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook on page 19. We are on Unit 1 Progress Review again. So this is a continuation of part 1 to 4. So this is part number 5. So we will learn about some grammar here. So language focus, comparative, adjectives. So activity 5, choose the correct words and write them on the lines. So first paragraph, we have my school is smaller. So usually we have this one smaller will be followed by than. So no 1, choose 3, choose 1 out of 3. So 2 than of, we choose than. So we have this than here. So my school is smaller than the school in the next town, but I think my school is better, well, or liked, because it compares his school to the other school. So we need to choose better rather than well or liked. So we choose better here, is better. So we have double T and double E for better. The students at my school are so friendlier here. So it's not friendly or unfriendly. So friendlier. So we have here friendlier. And the buildings are modern. So this is, we will choose more rather than many or a lot. So more modern. So there's a fantastic swimming pool too. It's then. So we need to choose bigger here because we have the word then. So we choose this one, bigger. Bigger than the pool at the sports center in town, and it's 2. So we have, sorry, just now maybe you didn't see it. So because I maximize this part here, so this is cleaner. So it's cleaner too. So I can compare things. So my evaluation. So next we move on to speaking part. So asking and saying where places are. So put the dialogue in the correct order, number the sentences. So we have 2 persons here. One is called man and the other is called Tom. So basically, you will need to find the first one. So that's great. Not true. So this is, it's about 10 minutes. It's also not true. He's explaining something. So maybe you're welcome and no. How far is it from here? Maybe. Have you got a map? Maybe. So this library, so it's asking. So this is answering. So maybe this one first. So I choose this one. If you say thanks, so the response should be you're welcome. So this one, C, number 1. And then excuse me, are we near the library? So this is man talking. So maybe we need to find Tom. So just this 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be most probably is this one. So number 2, we will put F here. So 2F, 1C. So excuse me, are we near the library here? Have you got a map? Yes, look. We are here and the library is in its street. So it stated the library, so maybe somewhere near here. And then number 3, we have how far is it from here, number 3. And then man questioning, so Tom should be answered. So 4, we have B here. It's about 10 minutes on foot and about 2 minutes by bus. And then after Tom, we have man speaking, so that's great, thanks for your help. And then finally we have here, you're welcome. So I can ask and say where places are. And then we have the last part here, writing a description of a town or city. So part number 7, order the words to make sentences. So is Norwich interesting city? Very. So basically we choose the title case. So Norwich followed by this is a very interesting city. And number 2 is of its the England in. So we have this one, it's in the it's of England. Okay, basically all are lower cases, so maybe just now I mistakenly interpret this one, but never mind. So it's in the east of England. So it's in the east of England. And then number 3, population got of 200,000, it's about. So basically it's got a population of about 200,000. And number 4, favorite castle, place, my, the, is. So my favorite place is the castle. So my favorite place is the castle. Number 5, fantastic are there short some. So maybe there are some fantastic shops. There are some fantastic shops. Number 6, market good to there. So there's a good market too. So there's a good market here. Market too, sorry, too. Number 7, only it's 35 from kilometers see the. So it's only 35 kilometers from the sea. So it's only 35 kilometers. In short, it's called km. So meter, T R E and not ER. So we have plural form, kilometers from the sea. And then the last one, exciting, it's place and. So it's an exciting place. So it's an exciting place. So we color this one as green. So that's it for this page. We are on this page 19 of Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the written contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.